Unlocking the Secrets of Aquifer Restoration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches on both our environment and the precious resource of water. We're talking about aquifer restoration. This concept may sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding aquifer restoration is crucial for appreciating how we can protect and replenish our planet's underground water reserves. So, let's get started on this enlightening journey together. Before we delve into restoration, it's important to understand what an aquifer actually is. An aquifer is a layer of rock, sand, or gravel that holds water underground. Think of it as a giant sponge beneath the Earth's surface, soaking up water and storing it. These aquifers are vital because they supply a significant portion of the world's drinking water, support agriculture, and maintain the flow of rivers and lakes. So, why do aquifers need restoration? Over time, aquifers can become depleted or polluted due to excessive water withdrawal, industrial activities, and agricultural runoff. This depletion not only threatens our water supply but also impacts ecosystems and increases the risk of land subsidence, where the ground sinks due to the removal of water. Restoring aquifers is about addressing these issues, ensuring a sustainable water future. Aquifer restoration involves various techniques aimed at replenishing groundwater levels and improving water quality. Some of these methods include artificial recharge. This is where water from other sources, like rivers or treated wastewater, is directed back into the aquifer through ponds, wells, or directly into the ground. Managed aquifer recharge. A planned process to store excess surface water in aquifers for later use, especially during droughts. Contamination cleanup. Removing pollutants from aquifers to make the water safe for consumption and use again. The benefits of aquifer restoration are immense. It helps secure water for future generations, supports biodiversity, and can even combat the effects of climate change by providing a reliable water source during extreme weather conditions. By restoring aquifers, we're not just saving water, we're investing in the health of our planet and communities. Aquifer restoration is a beacon of hope for sustaining our water resources. It's a complex but rewarding endeavor that requires the cooperation of governments, communities, and individuals. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of aquifer restoration and inspired you to learn more about how you can contribute to water sustainability efforts. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure. Remember, every drop counts in the journey toward a sustainable future.